Want to grow your YouTube channel while doing almost nothing? Here's the secret. Millions of views. And guess what? These channels aren't hiring editors or spending hours on content creation. They're using one powerful AI tool, Vid AI, to automate the entire process. All you need is a YouTube channel and this game-changing tool. So why wait? Let's dive into the world of Vid AI. Step 1. Choose your video topic. This is Vid AI, an all-in-one tool with tons of amazing features. Click on Try Now to get started. Sign into your account. Then click on Short Stories. Here, 3 options are available: Faceless Shorts, Fake Text, and Split Screen. Just select the Faceless one. You've got 2 options. Come up with a cool idea on your own, or use ChatGPT. Just type, "I want to make a YouTube short video about science discovery. Give me an interesting prompt to make a video." But wait, here's the real hack. You don't even have to brainstorm. You can skip straight to production. In Vid AI, just click on popular topics, pick one, and start creating. I'm sticking with science discovery. Then, Vid AI will create your story. Step 2. Add a voice. With Vid AI, you get access to realistic voiceovers that instantly.
Happy to voice over and
Crazy enough to think.
you gotta be careful.
I'm going with this voice artist, Pritam, because it fits the tone perfectly. Step 3. Pick a video style. Next, let's choose a video style. Vid AI offers a variety of creative models to generate your video. Natural, anime, cinematic, comic art, watercolor, cubism, and more. For this video, I'm keeping it natural realistic. You can add a gaming background, one of the most popular styles for TikTok shorts. It grabs attention, fast. And here's the best part. You don't even need to research video topics. Vid AI already provides a collection of viral background videos from platforms like YouTube Shorts, TikTok, and Instagram. Set the video length based on your needs. Click on Generate Content. Step 4. Edit like a pro. Vid AI gives you a smarter way to edit. Don't like a scene? No problem, just swap it out and make it more. You can also edit images with a single click. Want a new look? Just select one and change it with another image. Vid AI pulls from a massive built-in stock library packed with tools and audio. Click Next. So whether it's your scene, script, or visuals, you're in total control. Step 5. Final touches. You can either choose a track that fits your vibe or simply skip it if you prefer silence or voice focus. Have selected this chill vibes one and adjusted the volume. Choose between single word highlights or multi-word subtitles. Captions grab attention. Pick from the most popular fonts provided by Vid AI to match your video's vibe. Customize your font color and border color to make your captions pop. Plus, Vid AI automatically generates subtitles in multiple languages. Once everything looks perfect, just click Generate. In 30 to 40 seconds, your short video will be ready. Boom!
Did you know honey never spoils? Archaeologists found pots of honey in ancient Egyptian tombs that are over 3,000 years old and still edible.
The human nose can detect over 1 trillion scents, a powerful sensory organ.
The result? Amazing. And the best part? You can repeat this process. Like here, I want to make an AI plus medicine themed short. First, just ask ChatGPT for a script. Copy it and paste it into Vid AI. Next, choose your artist. This time, I'm going with a female voice. For the visual style, I'm picking anime. Then, click Generate Short. Alright, the edit section is here. I'm not making any changes, keeping everything as it is. Click Next, choose your BGM, and tweak any additional settings if you like. Now hit Generate Video, and that's it. Your short is ready to go.
AI just helped scientists discover a brand new antibiotic, and it might save millions of lives. Instead of testing thousands of chemicals one by one, researchers used AI to scan through millions of compounds in record time. It found a powerful new drug called halicin, which can kill superbugs, bacteria that don't respond to regular antibiotics. This is huge because antibiotic resistance is a growing problem around the world. The best part? AI can now help us discover even more life-saving medicines faster than ever before. Science and AI are changing the future right now.
Real-life success story. Meet Matt Parr, a YouTuber who became financially independent and now works from anywhere in the world, all thanks to YouTube automation. He runs 12+ channels and has turned his passion into a $1 million empire. So why not give Vid AI a try? With the right tools and a bit of creativity, you could be the next success story. Now here's about pricing. So ready to take your YouTube game to the next level? Vid AI helps you create pro-level videos in just 1 minute. More content, less effort, and way more growth. Hit the link in the description and try it now. This video is proudly sponsored by Vid AI, the powerful AI tool that makes creating YouTube Shorts faster and easier than ever before. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like it and subscribe to AI Lockup. Thanks so much for watching, and as always, happy creating!